Hey, it's Mark Weiss. It is a beautiful day here, but it stormed last night and is expected to storm again tomorrow. You know, sometimes when you look at calm, nice blue sky weather like this, you say, you know, everything's fine. It's a beautiful sunny day. What do I have to worry about? Well, it's the same thing in business. Is this truly calm weather, or is it just the eye of the storm? You know, part of the storm has passed over, now it's calm, but the rest of the rough spot is on its way. Well, it doesn't matter much. Many medical group leaders assume that when everything is going fine, they can sit back. There's nothing much to work on, to plan, to tune up, to redo, to take care of. In other words, I'll just work in the business as opposed to the Michael Gerber on the business. But that's the wrong approach. When things are going smoothly, when they're going well, that means you have more time to devote to problem solving, to problem prevention, to planning, strategizing, whatever you want to call it. What's in the group's organizational documents that need to be revised? How can we better prepare for a potential problem with employed physicians, subcontracted doctors, and so on? Use the time wisely. It's more or less rare that everything is going smoothly. Sometimes even, you know, the ocean looks like it's smooth, but there's a riptide. I know I'm mixing my metaphors, but I think you understand what I'm saying. It's almost like a gift, a beautiful day like this. I can devote time to preventing a problem that is going to be a storm within the group, within the business, within our lives, something that might otherwise disrupt.